Imagine the roar of a two-stroke engine, not from 3 or 4 cylinders, but 7 cylinders at once. That's the Kawasaki KH606, a crazy yet genius creation by Simon Whitelock, an eccentric British builder known for his unconventional motorcycle projects. First built in 1999, the KH606 is no ordinary motorcycle. It was created by disassembling 6 Kawasaki KH250 engines, taking the best parts from each, and reassembling them into a single inline, 7 two-stroke engine with a displacement of approximately 600 cubic centimeters. With an estimated power output of 60 horsepower and a weight of just over 200 kilograms, this motorcycle is not only unique, it's also fully roadworthy. The motorcycle's base is the Kawasaki KH250, an iconic 1970s motorcycle famous for its 3-cylinder 249 cubic centimeters engine. But Whitelock wasn't satisfied with that. With the help of Chris Appel-B, he modified nearly every aspect. 7 carburetors, 7 spark plugs, 7 exhaust pipes, and a clutch from the KH500 to handle the power of this wild engine. The frame also had to be completely modified, made wider to accommodate the large engine, the fuel tank extended by 10 centimeters, and the braking system upgraded with dual disc brakes up front. The exhaust system with 3 on the left and 4 on the right is a distinctive feature that immediately catches the eye and the ear. What's more, the KH606 isn't just a showpiece. It is roadworthy and extremely fast. The Japanese dealer currently auctioning it even remarked, "The front end really takes off." A testament to the fact that this motorcycle can perform wheelies solely due to its raw power. And now, the only KH606 in the world is being auctioned online in Japan on the buy.ee.jp website until July 21, 2025. The asking price? Around 12 million yen or approximately 70,000 euros. A fantastic figure, but well worth it for the uniqueness and complexity of this 7-cylinder two-stroke engine. If you're a true two-stroke motorcycle enthusiast, this isn't just a collector's item. It's a technical masterpiece and a dream brought to life on the asphalt. And there's only one in the world.